IC Markets Money Bag. Today profit $1,257. Last 3-month withdrawal, $81,384. Last 3-month profit, $81,805. Total deposit this account starting balance $650. Welcome to a world where numbers meet poetry. Today, let's explore trading bots, the silent artists of the financial markets. They work without rest. No sweat, no guess. Just code and precision. Trading with relentless vision. With every rise and fall, they dance. A flawless rhythm, a calculated trance. No emotions to cloud their way. Only data, black and gray. They don't dream, they don't feel. But they move with speed and steel. The bot's logic guides its hand. But you, the trader, make it grand. Together, you craft a masterpiece. In the art of profits, risks, and peace. So, when your bot executes with grace, remember, it's you who sets the pace.